honors yung naghahakuha?
Sila po mismo yung mga client.
Ibig sabihin, wala pong taga-bangko ang naghahakuha or nagpapalabas?
Wala po.
It's just quite unusual, Mr. Chair, that the branch manager who's present here now seems to have probably a temporary amnesia on what has happened. Kasi napaka-imposible po maglalabas ka ng 125 million cash, 4 na beses, ni hindi mo lang titingnan kung ano yung paglalagyan at ni hindi mo tutulungan yung kliyente na maglabas ng pera. Kasi syempre, alam mo, it can invite perpetrators, either ma-hold up, either pasukin yung branch. Kung ganyan po ba, ma'am, nilalak yung branch or parang open to all lang?
Miss Chair, hindi naman po. Yung dun sa lalagyan, ma'am, nakikita naman po namin kasi from the teller, nirelease po yung money. So the teller, nakikita niya po kung saan ilalagay yung money. So yung dun sa paglabas po, since malaki po yung amount, so from the release po, parang dapat wala na pong cash ang one of the person niya since po ilalabas na po siya sa bank. So ang ano po namin,
Dumadaan siya ng teller, bali doon yung teller, yung parang may mesa po na gano'n, ma'am? Bali igaganon mo po?
Actually, nire-request naman po yun ni client na dapat dun sa display place. So, since malaki po yung amount, nire-release po namin siya at the back of the teller.
Sorry, ma'am, at the?
Back of the teller po. Yung medyo display po yung area para hindi po naka-expose
Hindi nyo
sa tao.
tinitingnan yung risk ng empleyado ng gobyerno na kumukuha siya doon ng malaking cash. Eh baka mamaya masaksak yan paglabas ng bangko.
Nasa likod niya po, back of the teller po, nasa back room po ng teller.
Back ng teller, yung dinadaanan niya, yung pa rin yung main door or meron ibang daanan?
Yung exit po, yung entrance and exit, isa lang po yung dun sa case po ni Showboy.
So doon din lumalabas?
Yes.
Okay. At ang naghahakwat mo ay yung kliyente na mismo?
Opo, kasi may mga kasama naman po sila na
Hindi niyo po kilala yung mga kasama?
Hindi po.
Hindi niyo naman hinahatid yung pera papunta sa opisina, sa DepEd?
Hindi po, Miss Chair.
Pero pwede siya ihatid, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po, Miss Chair.
Bakit po? Di ba meron kayo armored vehicle?
Wala po kasi kami with regards to the delivery of the cash to the client.
Walang.
Wala po kami memorandum of agreement with them. So, talagang over the
So lahat po ng kung ihahatid, dapat may MOA.
if we will be using the armored car.
Hindi na kung for purposes of safety, kasi kawawa naman yung mga empleyado at kawani ng gobyerno, kung malay mo, may pag-interesan sila, hindi nyo hinahatid ng armored vehicle papunta dun sa opisina para naman safe sila.
Yun po, kung meron po kaming memorandum of agreement kasi yung armored guard is in po na.
Sino po yung teller na nag-release ng pera?
Teller po ng branch.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ms. Chair, since 4 checks po ang issued check for negotiation, iba-ibang teller po yung nag-issue.
So iba-ibang teller siya.
So in our case, tatlong tellers po yung iba-iba.
Concerned. At usually, is this usual for land bank?
In case po ni Show Boulevard that large amount hindi po siya usual kasi hindi naman po lahat ng client namin nag-i-encash na ganun kalaki.
Unusual po siya sa pananaw niyo.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, the reason why I'm asking this is we're putting the risk of our government officials and our government employees. Imagine, mag-withdraw ka ganyan kalaki, cold cash. Maybe in aid of legislation, there can also be a cap kasi pwede naman na maraming SDOs or pwede naman to ginawang every other week yung pag-disperse. Tsaka ang tanong nun, there are just a lot of questions, Mr. Chair, because if you get 125 million cash and you bring it to an office, a government office, may vote by yung government office? Maybe we can ask the representatives from OVP. Meron po tayong vote ba, ma'am, Mr. Chair? Wala na. Can the finance chief answer, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Attorney Sanchez or Attorney Lopez?
Mr. Chair, we have a vote for our cash divisions, but that is not the same vote being used by the SDO. So I am not aware if there is a separate vote used by the SDO.
Ma'am Attorney Zulaika, meron po?
Your Honor, I am aware of a vote in the, as mentioned by the Director for Finance and Admin, for cash, petty cash.
It's used for payroll. Hindi po ba online na po ang payroll natin, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. May I refer this matter to our Chief Accountant and Director for Admin and Finance.
Just to add, Mr. Chair, just to add to what I mentioned earlier, the vote for the cash division is being used for primarily for petty cash fund, but there are also some items of payroll, for example, including allowance, Your Honor, which are paid in cash to employees.
In your experience, is it safe to take 125 million cash from the bank and transfer it to your office? Risky po ba yun sa inyo? Pwede po ba kayong pasukin? May capability ba